Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use Extrude Boss in SolidWorks. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle, center rectangle from origin. Now give the dimension. This line dimension 85 and this line dimension 100. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude select cut. Okay. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the circle. Now here circle dimension 50 or 60 as you wish. Now this point and this point distance 100. Okay. Now this point control this point vertical. Now I am going to have 50. Okay. Now this point and this line control this point tangent. Now this point control this circle coincident. Now here give the value 80. Okay. Now draw the hair center line. Now go to mirror and this center line select and about select center line. Okay. Now draw the line here. Select. Now draw the circle another. This circle below 30. Okay. Now go to trim. Now cut here. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now select here from mid plane. Now give the value 13. Okay. Now I am going to again edit here. This circle below 60. Now just height 70. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now select here fillet. Now select here. Now clear select. Now just select here fillet and here. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to front plane or right plane sketch. Now draw the line here, this point and this midpoint. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select shape. Okay. Now you can have. Now go to front plane and mirror. Now select feature to mirror. Now just select rip. Okay. Now I am going to this rip edit. Now I am here. This relation delete. Just move here. Now I am give the value 20. Now here edit. Now this point and this point and this line distance 20. Select this point, control this line coincident. Now I am going to have value 25. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Okay. Now here select this. Now draw the circle here. This circle below 10. Okay. Now go to isometric view, feature and extrude card. Okay. Now go to right plane and mirror. Now select here, cut. Okay. Now again mirror, front plane mirror. Now here select mirror. Okay. Now make our job. Now I'm going to here select plain white. Okay. Now select here, shaded. Now go to here. I'm going to select this color. Now select this. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.